Alright YouTube, so that's the 2.0 amplifier, Class D amplifier that I have built in a previous video, and these two are the DIY speakers that I have made 2 years back. So today I'm going to do the sound test of this amplifier with these two DIY speakers, and let's check the sound, how it is. Well, this amplifier doesn't have any bass treble kit. It's just one volume control is there, you can see. So let's check the sound, how it is gonna be.
Give you a good time. Give you a good. Give you a good time. Give you a good.
Shadows follow me over the hills and the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the wild. Na, 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 na. Into the wild. To the wild, into the wild.
We drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings aloud. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I wanted was you. All I wanted was you. All I wanted was
Get you on your knees, rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, now you beg me please. Hey, now I stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I'll hear you say you're sorry.